In this video, I am going to teach you how to organize Microsoft Planner buckets. So buckets is Microsoft Planner's term for columns or groups. So as you can see, we have in here this bucket, which is called no bucket. We also have this initiating bucket, planning bucket, and the likes. So when you scroll over to the very end, you can see in here this add new bucket option. So you have the option to add a new bucket and then input right here the bucket name. So for example, let's input right here to do and click on enter, and as you can see, this bucket is now added. Now if you want to organize it, you have the option to drag it and then put it in order to actually reorganize it. So for example, this to do part, let's input it before the initiating page, and as you can see, here it is. Now you can also group them by bucket. Just click onto this group by bucket and you can choose them the assigned to progress and likes, and you can also input right here filters based on the bucket options that we have right here. So that's how you organize Microsoft Planner buckets. Hope we helped.